What's up, guys? It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. And I got a chart for you. We're looking at Bitcoin tonight. And the reason is because Bitcoin is bubbling under its 200-day moving average. You can see Bitcoin has been in quite a downtrend since November of last year. It's been a massive underperformer while we've seen a lot of AI and tech stocks make new highs. Bitcoin has been floundering, but that can all change with a move above its 200-day moving average. Now, previously, when Bitcoin does get above the 200-day moving average, good things happen. And with the Clarity Act moving forward today, if Bitcoin can get above the 200-day moving average and good things continue to happen, I think we might have a great trade here on IBIT. And so I would certainly watch for IBIT to get above and stay above 46.51 and potentially retest its very own 200-day moving average. Now, an initial trade stop on that could be around $44, so you're risking about $2 on a break higher on IBIT and on Bitcoin. And that's just one of many trades that we're watching over at Stock Market Mentor and Crypto Market Mentor. I hope it's helpful. And if you want to learn about digital assets, be sure and join us at Crypto Market Mentor. Click stockmarketmentor.com for details. My name is Scott McGregor at Scott Trades on Twitter. I'll see you next time.